Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Ryan Kerrigan here. We are at MarineMax Danvers taking a look at another in-stock Boston whaler. This is a 2026 210 Montauk. This is the largest of the Montauk series from Boston Whaler. We're going to walk through some of the options on the boat, and I'm going to take you inside and take you through some of the equipment on it. All right guys, we are inside the 210 Montauk here in Danvers. Starting in the aft of the boat, just want to start out with the horsepower package. You do have the max horsepower 200 V6 from Mercury outboard. Very nice platform for this boat, can get you well into the lower mid 40s. You do have some very nice non-skid platforms here that do convert into two rear jump seats. So if you want to have them fully deployed, if you need seats for folks, or very easy to stow down for access on and off the boat, as well as continuing with that theme of the rear rod holder storage towards the back. Moving up towards the main part of the helm here, you do have your standard reversible pilot seat. This can be upgraded to a leaning post. There's a few different options for that, but multi-position, as well as some very nice dry storage underneath, and access to your tackle box storage here. So very simple, very clean, very functional. Moving up towards the dash, you have your Mercury digital throttle and shift along with your active trim. You have your Simrad multifunction display. So this is your chart plotter, GPS, fish finder, all built in one, as well as your JL Audio Bluetooth stereo, standard gauges, and your rocker style switches. Again, very simple, clean, functional, very, very easy to use. Moving up towards the bow, as I step under the bimini top here, you do have some more seating. Your front sun pad here with backrests. These are fully removable and again serve as rod holders. All unsnappable, removable cushions. So if you do want to get down to the non-skid, get under these lockers. Very easy to clean, very easy to access. Again, functional, easy, simple. Part of that fishing package, you do have this front cooler seat here, along with the backrest and more rod holders. And I'll have Jill show you on your side access to your pump out head, standard porta potty with exit out on this side. Guys, this boat is available. I love how it's equipped. If you got to get under a low clearance bridge, you do have the option for the bimini. So if you want to come check it out, we're at 10 Hutchinson Drive in MarineMax Danvers. All right, thank you.